Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Are you trying to create vertical content but struggling to get the exact dimensions for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels? Today, I'm showing you the hidden settings adjustment to format your project canvas flawlessly in seconds. Step 1. Launch the app. First, launch the Camtasia software on your desktop to access your active video editing dashboard. Step 2. Isolate the footage. Navigate to your loaded media bin and click on the specific video asset you want to resize. Step 3. Timeline placement hack. Long press your chosen video file and drag it smoothly down onto the Track 1 timeline lane. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Step 4. Access Dimension Tool. Navigate to the top toolbar of the editing interface and click on the Canvas percentage drop-down option. Step 5. Launch Project Menu. Select Project Settings from the menu list to open the core configuration control window. Step 6. Open Canvas Presets. Click on the Canvas Dimensions drop-down to reveal the platform-specific resolution templates. Step 7. Choose Vertical Aspect. Select the 916 FHD 1080x19920 layout preset optimized explicitly for mobile smartphone displays. Step 8. Finalize the layout. Hit Apply to lock in your settings and instantly begin editing your mobile shorts or reels smoothly. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button and I'll see you in the next one.